Okay. This na Creative Hands platform, and for this today video I wan show una how I take make one kind fine and fan like that. I get one pattern for my channel before, that one fine too, so I just say make I do this new fine one for other people when e be say they go like this kind pattern too. So the first thing I wan do now be say I wan use these patches, and because say na these patches I wan use, I first put the patches on top of this place now, on top of am, because na here I like to put am when I finish. So I go come take biro, I come draw the size of this thing now. I come first draw am so that I go know where I go put the feathers reach. So when I draw am finish, I go come comot this one and keep first. Then I go come take this my feathers now with this hot glue. I go come dey use am dey put am small for all the place wey be say I not draw this shape put now. So like this part now, I go start with this line. As I put am small like this, I go dey put the feather. But one thing when I wan tell una be say, before I start to use this feather, so this feather so I first put am for fan, make breeze blow am well. When breeze blow am, go come make am scatter, e go come make am rise. When e rise, e go come fine. So na the first thing when I do be that. So now I go come dey put this gum now, so they see me dey put am like this. When I put small gum, as e dey hot, let me say I go let am cool, I go come dey put the feathers, take the gum am. I go dey take the feathers, the gum am as I dey put am, the gum am. As I dey do am like that, I dey arrange am. I dey arrange am. Na only this one dey take small time inside, because you need to get patient take do am. So because of that, as you dey do am, no rush o, make your work for fine. So dey do am, no rush, and make you no dey put the line of the gum make it too long, because if e too long, before you go reach there make you put am, e go don already cold. So because of that, no dey put am make it too long. So na so I go dey continue and dey go. Na so I go continue until I come put am for everywhere when be say I not draw this thing put. I go put am round down like that. Then I go put again for the back too. So make una just dey watch, make una see how I go take do am finish. Even when I dey do am so, you see this wood when e dey show for here, when be the hand, so I go cover am, all this place like this, I go cover am, go reach here. So from here like this, I go put the feather, cover am. Now only here like this now I go take do handle. Una dey hear so? So see now, see as I don gum am. I don gum everywhere when I supposed to gum. I can't leave the space. That thing when I draw that time, I dey look am. As I dey do am dey go, I go dey put this thing, dey check am whether e go cover am. As I dey do am dey go, I go dey put am. As I put am, if e never cover am well, I go comot am again, I put am. So you see how I cover am reach, even though say I draw something before when e big pass so, but you see now say as I come take cover am now, na small place na remain for me to come put this thing. So when I put am now, so see say nowhere again, when e open, everywhere don cover, everywhere don cover. Shey you see am? This one now, na this place I wan take do front, because for this fan I no wan do am say make back and front be the same. The only thing I wan do next now, na this back I go come put again like 2 line for the back, so that this place go get weight. Then I go come use trimming take design am, take finish am. You go see say the back and the front go fine well. So as this thing there now, you see say the shape na small shape and e be like 4 corner. So if I do finish, if I like, I go trim am make it small as this thing be. If I like, I fit not trim am, the thing go big like this, go fine the way it be like this. So but if I like make it be the shape when dey my hand, so I go trim am, take scissors do am to the shape when I want. Just gum this one before I go turn go back. So you see as e be now. I put am here. As I put am now, na me go talk either I like me this thing come front well or I not like make it come front. But the way I want am na like this I want am. I want make it rest small for the hand this side. Then make it reach where it is. So see as I take put am. So as I don't put am like this, I go take gum now. Carefully put gum. Put gum. So I put gum now. I go take and cover ground. And they look and say, make it cover everywhere when I want make it cover. So I don't take that middle cover the ground now. I go come this side now. You see, say this thing shape, it resemble bed. And it fine well. So I'll come this side now, I'll come goma. So I don't put her now. Go touch her down. Touch her, make it for stay. Don't do one like that now. Touch her. That place don't stay. I'll come this side. Come do this side to make it for stay. If you dey put gum, put gum make it catch am. Make it for not go quick for comot. Then make you still small. Make the gum to not go gum your work, can't stay na anyhow. So when they do and I make you see na small they do am. One good thing for this gum, because say they hot well. By the time you just put am, it don't gum. They use another gum till they do this work, but because say this one so, it dey quick the gum for me. Then make I dey like am now they use the machine also. I dey like am pass any other one. Cause those ones they not dey quick they dry, and they waste time. It not dey fast. You see, I don't gum. You see as it be now. I don't gum. This design now, and be the beauty when they did it, and I make her fine. Now see, so I'll come turn and I go do the back. I'm gonna just the back. I go start now to they put the gum small. I go come the gum. I go they put the feather too, small. When the two meet now, the thing go get weight. Go thick. The back and front go thick. So by the time I want trimmer, when you trim yourself now, so you go fine. I don't tell you before say. Don't tell una before say no dey put the gum too much before you start to gum am. If you put am too much, e go dey cold. No gum am well. So e good say make you no dey put am too much. Don't say. So na like that I go do am. I go do everywhere round as I take do the front before. As I don't gum this back finish now, see the front. See the front. So as I don't gum the back, I want designer now. And this thing I go use. I want do one like 4 corner. So the first one I go do, as I put this one like this now, it's closer. As I put this one like this. You see now, I don't the cutter. And small sha. Because if you too hurry, if you cut and spoil it, we'll do one small. Okay, not to worry. And the 4 corner now they want trim. So you not go round because not be round style I do. So you don't say don't trim that 2 sides. Remain here. Get the way and be say you go hurry take trim and you go spoil am. So no hurry. So the trimmer go dey look am. Say I think this thing still good though. No go trimmer, just go take scissors cut am. Before you know the thing don't enter inside. It don't spoil. If it spoil, you don't spoil the money when you take go buy am. If you know say you no go fit trim am, not just kuku trim, leave am the way e be, not trim am. But if you know say you go fit trim, then make you settle down, take your time, no rush, take trim am. So this side now I don comb the hand, and as e be so, I never even wrap the hand sef. I suppose wrap the hand, so I go wrap am. I go wrap the hand. Because e no go good say by the time you do this kind fine work finish, the hand go come be wood. I think you don see say the shape don change. See the shape, e don change. So sometimes e good say make you still sabi trim, because if you no sabi trim, your work no go fine finish. You go just dey anyhow because you go dey fear to trim am, say make I no go spoil am o, make I no go spoil am o. Dem no dey spoil am. If you sit down well, look am, you go fit trim am. Till you see my own now. See the back, see the front. This thing sef no get back and front on. Anywhere you like, now you take do back. Anywhere you like, now you take do front. So far when you turn back, e fine. See how now? When you turn back, e fine. You turn front, e fine. Wetin you dey find again? Okay, una like that o. So the last thing when I go do, now I wan show una see. And na this for the handle. When I put am for the handle like this, I go just use am dey turn am till e finish. As I first put my glue now, so for the starting, no need to put the glue for everything. So as I put am for the starting, I bring am come place am. The glue no enter. Okay, alright. As I put am now, I go bring am come. Sometimes they wrap this thing before they start to. Depends on the one when you do. See me. Don't say am. So I put am now, I go make sure say this beginning is strong. Don't say am. Then from there, I go just dey turn am. That's why I go say you wrap before you do am. But if you not wrap, never still be bad thing. See as it is here. So as I dey do am like this, the wrapper don dey wrap am so. This here, so that I go fit use am cover the wood. Make wood not show again. Now make I dey do this one. Go come make the hand fine. No come be ordinary wood again. See am. As I don reach the end side now, so I go continue. Wrap am like that, make e get extra. See am so. See say the edge don dey cover. See the whole hand. The hand don change. The hand don fine pass as e dey before now. This edge when I don wrap come out here now, when e plenty like this, I go take glue. Because you know say I gum the beginning, I go gum the ending too. Just like that. Then this place I go put gum. See am. So I put gum now, so I go press her. It will come together. See am. It does join. Nowhere open again. I go hold am small. Just see am. Hold am small. Everywhere don cover. Then this one now, I go come cut am comot.